All right, happy Wednesday morning, beginners. Do you guys remember what we did last week on Wednesday? We talked about what? Odd numbers. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about odd numbers again, but we're gonna go even further in our number range. All right, so let's go ahead and count with me. Okay, so you guys have a whiteboard at your house. Now you can use a dry erase marker. If you do not have a dry erase marker, you can go ahead and use a regular marker and it should work fine. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and write, let's see, let me have you guys, go ahead and hold off yet. You'll use the whiteboard and the marker in just a minute. Go ahead and hold off and just look at my board for now. So I have 1 all the way down to 60. All right, so last time we did 1 through what? 20, so now we're gonna do 1 through 60, okay? And now let's go ahead and we're gonna circle all of our odd numbers. Now where does it start with an odd number? Is 2 or 1 an odd number? 1, all right? So let's go ahead and circle them all and say them with me. Ready? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, because remember we're skipping a number. 13, we're gonna skip 14, 15, skip 16, 17, skip 18, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, skip 56, so 57, 59. All right, so if I want you guys to notice how we're skipping a number and we're going to a different number because we're skipping how many numbers? 2, 3, 4, 1. We're skipping one number, okay? Now I want you guys to look at something. Look at the pattern. I have 1 through 10 over here. I have 11 through 20, 21 through 30, 31 through 40, 41 through 50, and I have 51 through 60. Okay, now I want you guys to notice, 1 is an odd number. So all of my numbers that have 1 are gonna be odd, just like 11, 12, 31, 41, 51, they all have what? They all have 1. And they're all odd. Now let's look over here at our 3s. All of our numbers that have 3s are what? They're all odd because 3 is an odd number. So 13, 23, 33, 43, 53. The same with my 5s. All of my 5s are odd numbers. All of my 7s are odd numbers, and all of my 9s are odd numbers. Do you guys see that pattern? All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and count now on our number line, and we're gonna go ahead and skip count all the way to 50, because next week, we're gonna skip count all the way to 100. All right, so let's go ahead and skip count all the way to what? 50, ready? So we're at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49. And then we're gonna stop at 50 because 50 odd or even, it's even, so let's stop at 51. All right, so that was, so now we finished counting to 51 on your whiteboard. Go ahead and write your numbers just like we did over here on the board. Go ahead and write your numbers. Since we already did 1 through 20 last week, go ahead and write your numbers 21 to, you can do 21 to 40, or you can do 21 all the way to 60 if you really want to challenge yourself. They probably won't all fit on the whiteboard, but write a couple of numbers and then circle the odd numbers. Or you can give your board to your mom and dad or your sibling and say, go ahead and write a couple numbers down for me, and you can go ahead and circle all the odd numbers from there, all right? So I hope you guys enjoy.